In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your LG TV remote not working. So whether your TV remote is just not working altogether or some of the buttons are working but others aren't working, this video will show you exactly how to fix these issues. So the first thing we're going to do is just grab your television remote and we're going to turn it over to its back here. And we're going to remove this battery casing. So all we need to do is slide down on this piece of plastic here, and that's going to remove the case. And what we're going to do now is just remove both of the batteries. Once you've removed both of the batteries, we're going to hold down on the power button for 20 seconds. And what this is going to do is it's going to drain any remaining power that might still be left in the remote control. And then once we've done that, we're just going to press down fairly hardly on all the buttons on the remote control. And that way, if we do have any buttons stuck here, then hopefully this will get rid of it. So just go ahead and do that a few times. Make sure to get every button and make sure you don't feel any of these sticking. Sometimes dust and debris can collect around these buttons. So just make sure you don't have anything sticking here. And then once you've done that, we can then reinsert the batteries to the back of the device, put the battery lid back on the TV remote, and then we can try checking to see if that's now solved the issue. If that still isn't working, another thing we can do is come over to the power cable that runs from the back of your television to your power supply, and we're just going to remove the plug from the wall socket here. Now it's important that you remove the plug from the wall socket and not just turn off your television via the remote. Once you've removed this plug, we're then going to head over to the physical television and you need to locate the power button on your TV. Now the location of this button is different for every TV model, but mine's located under this LG symbol here. Yours might be on the back of the TV or somewhere along the sides. And we're just going to hold down this button for again 20 seconds. And this is going to drain any remaining power from our television. Once you've held this button down for 20 seconds, we're going to come back over to our plug and replug this back inside of the wall. And once again, we can turn on our TV and check to see if our remote control is working. Now, if that still hasn't fixed it, then don't worry, as I have one final solution for you. And what we're going to do now is just unpair our TV remote to our television. Now, to do this, you just need to grab your television remote, and we're going to hold down both the home button here and also this back arrow. So this is what it looks like on my remote, and you need to hold both of these buttons down simultaneously for around about 10 seconds. So once your remote has been unpaired, you'll get this success message pop up on the TV. As you can see down here, it says remote registration is disconnected. So once you get this message up here, what we need to do is come back over to the TV remote, and we're just going to hold down this middle OK button here. It looks like this on my TV remote. So just hold this down, and as you can see, that's going to re-register the remote. Sometimes the first time you do it, it does fail. So if you do get this failed message, then just hold it down again and give that a second to complete. And as you can see now, the remote has been re-registered successfully. Now, if you have tried all of the steps in this video and that still hasn't fixed the issue, then it may be worth considering buying a new remote control. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.